Ubaba will introduce himself bafowethu, and then sizwa ama views akhe on i-Freedom Day. So Baba, over to you.
Siyabingelela entweni esingayithandisisi kahle social media. No, ngithanda ithuba ngibingelela abafana. Mr. Spear siyabonga Spear Gam. Sikwa-CWP Security, a company eservice umphakathi ukuprovide i-service yokuphepha, maybe alarm systems, cameras, warm bodies in terms of security guards. Siyasebenza kakhulu, siyenza ama-investigations. By the way, sifana ama-tracker emotweni with our sister company Ukhozi Tracker.
Yes.
So yeah, we installed a tracking devices in your vehicles, and yeah.
Yes.
So siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi after usuku kuthiwa i-Freedom Day, mhlawumbe ke sixoxe nje, sekunzima ukuxoxa in as much as you're talking in a space where they say there's freedom. It's unfortunate that uma ubheka manje uma kuthiwa khona into eyishilo ngekho kahle la ku social media, it becomes a problem.
Yes.
So freedom doesn't work that way.
Okay.
Freedom, you have freedom of speech, you know, freedom of choice, and well, there are other freedoms that we haven't actually seen as yet, but the fact that we are here and siyakhuluma, it is freedom. But in as much as it looks as if everything is just like going back slowly to the system where unezinto ongamele uzisho, unabantu obamenshine uma ukhuluma izinto, but ke siyalibonga ukuthi ke sikhona kuleyo freedom.
Yes.
And yeah.
Yes.
Ngikhumbuze ke nje ukuthi u-CWP company ekhona throughout KZN.
Yes.
We have branches ahlukene, and we provide a service to wonke umuntu ofisa ukuthi abe protection. We do provide that, and we do farm security as well, and we provide services to